I'll drop me a signal level here, 143.694. I may try to get in if price starts to push up strong right here near this signal level. That's where I'm looking to enter in for another trade at. I'll wait for the next candlestick. Yeah, things are just jumpy and all over the place. All right, so I just went in. Soon as price hit that signal level, because I expected price to shoot back up strong, I just needed a little bit more time as opposed to going in at the time I did. All right. I think it might be good for one more entry. So I was able to get that trade. So as I analyze, it would have been good to pop off another trade here, which is what I was looking at. It kind of went up too fast. I don't expect it to continue to go because remember, we're in a stalling divergence market. The market is stalling and there is divergence. So according to technical analysis, a stalling market is going to trick you multiple times. But if you can find the rhythm, like what I was pretty much talking to you about in the beginning of this live, hold on. There might be one more solid entry. I might try to get in here as price leaves this signal level. I'm looking for it to shoot up a little strong. No. So yeah, stalling market is going to trick you multiple times. As price comes down, whoop de whoop de woo, rejects here. It showed you that it was going to be a potential strong bearish trend, and then price came back up. Then it showed you it was going to be a strong reverse trend, and now it's going back down. That's what happens during the stalling market. So you got to be able to catch it at the peak of its momentum. Quick entry at the peak of its momentum. Now this is a different kind of market. It's a different kind of way that I trade, other than what I try to have you guys focus on in the signals group in the union. So now price then bounced back down. It's probably going to bounce back up and then have a nice strong move right here at the signal level. We got 5 minutes left in this candlestick, so it could potentially continue to push down strong.